And you are?
Romney.
Pleasure.
F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Get that shit inside your head. No, no.
I'm the one who's always been there for you, not him.
F-R-I-E-N-D-S. We're just friends.
You're my best friend.
But
you are like a brother to me.
What?
Where's your friend?
No, don't pull that with me. Don't even try to. This is not how you treat your friend.
We're just
Oh, she is. Don't make me like you.
Kissing in the copy room, holding hands in IKEA, shower sex. Come on, friends my balls.